Potential repercussions. Integrity in DeFi systems. Decentralized financial systems create a traceable and transparent framework. Participants easily understand fund movement within the economic structure, reducing corruption and dishonesty. This, in turn, nurtures a society that is more transparent, honest, and equitable. Social equality and the shared economy. The autonomous gear economy, with its emphasis on resource sharing, may foster greater social equality. Decentralized resource allocation facilitates the sharing of social resources among participants, promoting win-win situations. This has the potential to alleviate the growing socio-economic class divide, creating opportunities for a broader population. Innovation and sustainability. Encouraging individual responsibility in the autonomous gear economy may spark more innovation and creativity. Simultaneously, through more efficient resource utilization, it could propel more sustainable economic development. The awareness of individual economic responsibilities might lead to a wave of innovation, injecting more vitality into society. Collaborative efforts and shared objectives. The autonomous gear economy, emphasizing community cooperation, could cultivate tighter social networks, establishing a sense of community. This promotes synergies by enabling community members to work together on more ambitious shared objectives. The strong bonds binding individuals of the community help improve social cohesiveness and lessen social isolation.